viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, amazing jute burlap craft, jute beautiful exmixture, jute made very beautiful burlap and very beautiful, amazing artistic craft of burlap and jute. This is very amazing and creative craft, and everyone wants to do that. Everyone love that, and this specialty of this craft is very eco-friendly, budget-friendly, on budget, and you can create many things with this Xmas season. Make some eco-friendly things, eco-friendly craft, and recycle old things, old wooden piece, old things, because eco-friendly we need this type of products. Add some rustic touch, add some wooden touch. So these crafts are very amazing and unique, very beautiful, and very budget friendly. So thank you for watching, and watch till the end. We are in one video we are giving you the amazing craft ideas, and your response will be amazed for your opinion and your things. Write down in comment section. We will really thankful to you if your comment and love and supporting for me. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We will give you the amazing crafting ideas. We will give you the beautiful, amazing and interesting crafting ideas. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. And watch till the end. Stay tuned with us, because these crafting ideas not only for you, it's also for your kids. Your kids will love to do craft, and this is very budget friendly and eco friendly. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. We gives you the amazing crafting ideas. We gives you the amazing burlap craft ideas, and we are giving you the amazing crafting ideas. So leave your comment in the comment section. Write your opinion. We love to read that, and we are really thankful to you. We are really good to see that. We are very happy to see that your opinion and your comments. Thanks for your love
show
and
you
support.
this amazing
and video watch till
very
the end.
amazing
Have a
ideas
nice
of jute burlap craft. It's not just a fun, it's more than a fun. It's like remedy for your mind stress feeling. Craft is more than just fun. It's a stress free your mind. It's gonna be very amazed in your mind effects. So hope you are fine, and watch the video, watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We are giving you the amazing and best ideas for everyone who wants to do craft. So jute also called burlap, and it's a eco-friendly fabric. It's eco-friendly and also budget friendly, environmental free, very beautiful craft, and you can make very beautiful things with these types of ornament. Either it's Christmas tree, or it's ornaments. It's a beautiful craft. You can make it at home with rustic touch of farmhouse look. So what would you like to make this season? This season gonna be rock. If you make something beautiful, it's gonna be shocked. These beautiful season are very beautiful. So if you are making something beautiful and different, so what do you feel about that? What do you think about that? These crafted ideas are useful or not? This Xmas occasion, this season of New Year, you can make a beautiful handcrafted jute with jute or burlap, jute rope. You can make many things with that. So these craft ideas are very amazing and beautiful. Would you like to make something different and unique? Would you like to make something beautiful and different? So I would like to share with you this beautiful collection. Do you think these crafted ideas is made for everyone? Do you think these crafted ideas are more than just a fun? You can create very beautiful things with
burlap, jute, rustic touch. Hope you enjoyed these designs and craft. So these designs are very amazing and rustic touch, and everyone gonna make this type of designs, so it would be really perfect for every occasion. And we gives you the amazing ideas, amazing collection with burlap and jute. You can add something extra, something beautiful with these type of classy ideas. You can make something amazed with these burlap. Add some fairy lights, add some beautiful things, add something whatever you want to do. So these burlap craft, it's gonna be rocked and everyone is shocked. So how you feel about this upcoming season, this Xmas season? Do you think it's amazing? Do you think it's beautiful, worthy? So hope you get enjoyed these designs and ideas. Hope you enjoyed these designs. So hope you enjoyed these designs and ideas. We are showing you that amazing rustic touch. We are showing you the amazing craft for this holiday season. This holiday season, the era is very beautiful. Feelings is good. I wish everyone who is watching this video fulfill God. May God fulfill your life with happiness, with beauty, with crafting. Lots of happiness, tension free, stress free. I wish who is watching this. Everyone is listening that. Because stress is terminated for your soul. And no one wants to add in your life with who is giving you the stress. So please give forgiveness, have forgiveness, and something beautiful in your life. Your partner, your sister, brother, siblings, your loved ones, everyone who is watching, may your life fulfilled with love and happiness, prosperity. Do you think this type of craft is amazed? Do you think this type of amazing craft make your life easier and stress free? Because focus on something doing very well, it is stress free your life. So we are giving you the major hooks of your life, magic hooks of your craft. You can hook them, you can loop them. Creativity is the best thing for your mind, and creativity has no limits. Create something for yourself, something for your home.